just do my cool down walk on the treadmill. Today is my long run day, of course, 10.5 miles. I didn't want to run on the treadmill, but the weather was not on my side today. It snowed. Was still kind of snow, mixed snow with rain right now, but didn't want to run in that outdoors, so treadmill it was, and I made it. This week, I think for a total, I think I did maybe 16 to 17 miles total, I think, for this week, which, was good. I did some cross training. I did elliptical earlier this week. I rode the bike. But Tuesdays and Thursdays were my run days. I did an easy run Monday. It was a mile instead of another warm-up before my strength training. I just did a really light run on the treadmill as a warm-up. So that was a little bit of extra mileage there. Otherwise, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I did my strength training like I normally do. And that was it. The only other new thing this week, I wore my new running shoes. I got some Altra running shoes. My ortho doctor recommended that I get some Altras because I have really wide feet, and Altras have a really wide toe box, and they feel really good. I can really feel the difference in the toe box of these shoes. Plus, it has a lot of toe springing action, which it has like a really nice curve on the shoe itself, like a rocker. Like you may hear people say rocker shoes. They're really talking about the curve in the shoe, and it helps you spring off like when you run and walk. So it has a lot of toe spring, and it has a really wide toe box, and I could really feel the difference in the running. It felt really easy, like my feet had to do less work, which is good for really long distances, because it can take a toll, especially with me. I have arthritis in my big toe, so I can, like right now, I can tell it really makes a huge difference. It made my run way more easy. It was still hard, but it made it much more easy to run in. So that's that. Just another day on the running schedule, and I will see you next time.